Hey guys, it's Nyla. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a day in my life with my dog. So right now I'm about to do is walk my dog face. So, yeah. Come here, Cookie. Come here. Go to the face wash. Come on. My dog is named Cookie. Okay? Just that. Wait. He don't like getting your face washed. So, yeah. So, I'm going to wash his face. Anyway. See. We don't like getting your face washed. So, look at me. Look. I know you don't like to get your face washed, but you gotta wash it. There we go. Here's the other one. Wait, no, Cookie. Cookie. Can I wash your face? Okay. Show my other side. I know. Alright. You want to go lay back down? Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah. Hey, we don't like getting your face washed. No cool wash. So, yeah. And right now I'm about to do give him some food and water for his breakfast. This is a gold thing. So, yeah. And also, here we got walking his dog. And then I can walk his yard walking boat. Just make his breakfast. And he about to come. Each way now? Yep. So I guess y'all done with playing with Cookie. And I think so he won't go outside. So yeah. So if I put my shoes on and my coat, just go outside. Yeah. Yep. Okay, you wanna go outside? Okay. Cookie, I hate you. You ain't have to do it. Okay, Cookie. Okay. Okay. Enough. Yeah. Cookie. Hey, boy. Cookies, come here. Okay, Cookie. You're so happy to go outside. Okay. Okay, Cookie. I hear you. I hear you. Okay. You ain't gotta cry, boy. He's so happy to go outside. And also, he do this all the time. Just got done walking Cookie. And why we in the bathroom? Because he about to take a bath. Yep. He only baths. So, yeah. That's why he look at me like that. Because he really not like a bad guy. Yeah, he really want bath. Stay right there. Don't move. I'm coming back. Okay, Cookie? Okay? So, he's so small. Because I know y'all can see him. He's so small. Okay. This boy. Oh my god, I'm gonna go. Ooh. Okay. You ready to do bath? Okay.
So we're kind of just like walking.
a day in my life with my dog. See you next video.